Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today in my little Hilltop Village in Italy, it is pouring down rain. And it looks like that the whole village will flood. But this village has the best drainage system. It's raining super hard. This town has the best drainage system, so it's pouring down rain. And literally 5 minutes later, the streets have no flooding. It just floods it all away. It's super crazy. Oh. It was torrential rain, I'll tell you a little story, what happened several years ago when I first came here. I remember I was walking around with some friends in the Carugi, in the little streets of this town, and there was this loud thunder, almost like a clapping noise, and everybody looked up, right? All my friends looked up, and they're like, uh-oh, and I'm like, okay, whatever, we have our umbrellas, big deal. And then there was the second clapping, boom, really loud. And everybody said goodbye, and everybody ran home. And I'm thinking, what the hell? What's the problem? I have an umbrella, big deal, right? But 5 minutes later, literally, it was like the torrential storms that we just had just now. It was just raining and raining, and every street was flooding. It was like rivers and rivers of just flooding. And I was hiding under my umbrella, but I was stuck there for over an hour. And I was completely soaked. So now I learned my lesson, right? When I hear those thunders that sound like clapping noises, I'm running for cover. So most of these little villages, hilltop villages, are master planners of flooding. They have the best drainage systems. There's drains everywhere. So the moment the rain stops, it just goes. And it goes right into these tons of rivers that we have on the foothills of this village. And it just clears everything away, and literally after 5 minutes everybody could go out. There's no flood. You could drive these tiny little cars. There's absolutely no problem. There is no water buildup. There is nothing. And literally 5 minutes after the pouring down rain, thunder and lightning, it all disappears. It's perfect. So from the Italian Riviera, in the rain, arrivederci.